Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Imagine having a second passport without ever setting foot in a country. Sounds unbelievable, right? But in some nations, this is entirely possible. While many countries require years of residency before granting citizenship, a select few offer a fast-track retainer residency required. In today's video, we will explore countries where you can obtain citizenship without the hassle of moving there. We will break down how these programs work, their benefits, costs, and what you need to qualify. If you find this information valuable, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on global mobility. Number 1. Understanding citizenship without residency. Before we dive into the specific countries, let's first understand what citizenship without residency really means. Most countries have strict naturalization rules. You often need to live there for 5, 10, or even 20 years before you can apply for citizenship. However, a few countries have programs that grant citizenship directly, without requiring you to reside or even visit first. This is usually done through investment programs, heritage-based citizenship, or honorary grants by the government. So, if you are looking for a second passport without uprooting your life, these options might be perfect for you. Number 2. Countries offering citizenship without residency. Now, let's explore the top countries where you can obtain citizenship without ever living there. 1. St. Kitts and Nevis. St. Kitts and Nevis offers one of the world's most well-known citizenship by investment programs. It was established in 1984 and allows investors to obtain citizenship within a few months. Here is how it works. You have two main options: donating at least $125,000 to the Sustainable Growth Fund, or investing at least $200,000 in government-approved real estate. No residency is required, and you get visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to over 150 countries, including the European Union and the United Kingdom. 2. Dominica. Another Caribbean gem, Dominica has an affordable citizenship by investment program. With a minimum donation of $100,000 or a real estate investment of $200,000, you can become a citizen in just a few months. Dominica's passport offers travel freedom to over 145 countries. Plus, it is one of the cheapest options available. 3. Malta. For those looking for a European passport, Malta has a citizenship by naturalization for exceptional services program. While it is more expensive, requiring an investment of at least $740,000, it grants European Union citizenship. This means you can live, work, and travel freely across Europe. The best part, no long residency requirement. 4. Turkey. Turkey offers citizenship to investors who make a minimum property investment of $400,000. The process takes as little as 3 to 6 months. With a Turkish passport, you gain visa-free access to over 100 countries, plus the option to apply for a United States E2 investor visa. 5. Vanuatu. Vanuatu, a small Pacific island nation, offers the fastest route to citizenship. In just 2 months, you can obtain a passport by donating at least $130,000. This passport provides visa-free access to over 120 countries, including the United Kingdom and Singapore. 6. Jordan. Jordan has a citizenship by investment program that allows investors to obtain citizenship by investing at least $750,000 in businesses that create jobs for locals. While Jordan does not offer extensive visa-free travel, it provides strategic advantages for those looking to expand business operations in the Middle East. 7. Egypt. Egypt also has a citizenship by investment program. requiring a minimum investment of $250,000 US. This option is ideal for those looking for a second passport in a historically rich and strategically located country. Number 3. Pros and cons of citizenship without residency. Now, while fast-track citizenship sounds appealing, it is important to weigh the pros and cons. Pros: visa-free travel to multiple countries. No need to relocate or meet long residency requirements. Tax benefits in some countries. Business expansion opportunities. Cons: high investment costs. Some passports have limited global mobility. Potential risks if citizenship programs change. It is crucial to research before applying and work with reputable legal experts to navigate the process. So, there you have it, 7 countries where you can obtain citizenship without living there. Whether you are seeking greater travel freedom, financial advantages, or just a backup passport, these programs offer unique opportunities. Which country's program interests you the most? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and subscribe for more content on global travel, investment, and second citizenship. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.